Hi, it's Marina, the Beauty BFF. I'm going to show you how to create a quick summer look, okay? Especially on a hot summer day. You want to wear sunscreen. You also want to make sure that your makeup is staying on and make sure that it's waterproof. And I'm actually outside today. It is a very hot day, and my son was actually in his little pool. So now I have some time to just do a little quick makeup. Okay, so let me start with the makeup. So I have my Shiseido BB foundation. It's great for traveling. And it is like a cream compact. Now, what's cool about this is that it is refillable, okay? It's got some great coverage. And it is like long wear, okay? So let me start with that. This foundation is specifically a sunscreen foundation, and look at that, it really gives you like a natural like finish, okay? Alright, so now I'm going to do my eyes, okay? So I'm actually going to start off with the cream eyeshadow here. It is the Revlon Color Stay Cream Eyeshadow in 710. I'm just going to use my fingers. I actually do not have any brushes right now. Just going to sweep that over the eyelid really quick here. And also it does come with a little brush, so you can get a little bit of the inner corner if you like. Get a little bit on your inner lash line, on the lower inner lash line. There we go. Okay. All right, next, I'm going to use my bronzer. Just because it's great for, you know, your like cheeks or all over the face, but I love to use it like just on my lid here, on the outer corners of my eyes. And again, I'm just using my fingers. Super simple and quick. And then you can use that little brush that came with the eyeshadow cream here. And do a little bit underneath the eyes. Just to kind of create some like contouring with your eyes. And it's going to give you like a really natural look, okay? Without looking overdone. I'm going to create a tight line, okay? So you can use a like gel eyeliner, and this is the Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pen, and it is brown. It's the color Black Cocoa, and it is pretty long wear, okay? Or I also do have the Marc Jacob here liquid eyeliner, and it comes in a felt pen, and this color is called Cocoa Lacquer. So let me do one eye with the gel eyeliner, okay? So you're going to actually lift your head up, but look down and look into the mirror, okay? And you're going to draw underneath the lashes on that upper lash line. There we go. And I'm going to do the other eye with the Marc Jacob felt eyeliner pen here. And these are brown colors, so they're going to give you more of a natural look, okay? So it's going to give you more of a like no makeup look. I'm going to use the felt tip of the eyeliner here, and I'm going to lay it sideways like this, okay? And I'm going to create a tight line again underneath my lashes on that upper lash line. And there we go. Nice, quick, and easy. Let's curl the lashes. I always carry a lash curler with me. I know they're a little like bigger and bulky to carry, but you know what? Gotta curl your lashes, right? Alright, and this is the Shiseido Lash Curler. I love it because it's actually wider, so that way, you know, especially for like Asian eyes, you are not like pinching your skin. Really just like pump it a few times. Alright, lashes curled. Okay, now I'm going to use a waterproof mascara. I love this mascara. It's the Chanel Le Volume. It's got a really nice like thick brush here. I just really like it because it's like clump free, but it thickens my lashes and I can just layer and layer and layer, okay? So when you're applying a mascara, make sure you are wiggling side to side as you go up, and make sure you are going from the base and then to the ends of the tips, okay? Alright, so this is coat number 1. Let's do the other eye. Nice, thick, and clean. And I will give it a few more coats so you can see how thick it can get, but you can also, you know, layer it, which is what I love about this mascara, because you can layer it and it will not be clumpy and it won't dry like right away, okay? And just make sure that you curl your lashes with your lash curler like before you put the mascara on, because if you do it after, it's going to rip your lashes off, okay? So you can see here, a few more coats. And if you want more of a natural look, go for a brown color mascara, okay? So this Le Volume Chanel mascara is black, but you can go for a brown mascara to give you a like more natural look. There we go. Next is my eyebrows. I love this tinted brow gel from Anastasia, and it's got enough color to it, but also it's sheer enough. And I like to use the smaller side first. And then I will use the longer side here and brush it. Now keep in mind that I do have like thicker eyebrows, so a brow gel is perfect for me, okay? Because I can actually give it like a little bit more color. I can also brush the hair in the direction that I want it to go. Now this eyebrow brow tinted gel is not waterproof, but Anastasia does have a waterproof brow gel, okay? That's a little bit more pigmented. Alright, so now cheeks and lips. Okay, so I like to just keep it pretty simple. This is a lipstick. It's like a sheer lipstick that was gifted to me from Hong Kong. It's the Etude House sheer lipstick here. And I believe it was probably a limited edition lip color. And it's the OR201. So I like to use it as my blush and my lip product. Alright. and it's pretty sheer. So you can really get a nice like cheek look with it. Make sure you smile, get your apples out, and blend it. Blend it out. Okay, so I do have the Touche Eclat neutralizer here. So it's like the Touche Eclat, but it is a neutralizer, okay? So you would click it, yep, and just apply it underneath the eyes here. And it will give you like a really like super like natural look. And it's going to help brighten up underneath the eyes, especially if you have like darker eye circles and they look more like bluish or purpley. This is a like peach tone neutralizer, and it's for the whole face, okay? So you don't have to just use it underneath your eyes, but it really just helps like brighten up my eyes. So as you can see here, I've got some nice bright eyes with the YSL Yves Saint Laurent Touche Eclat Neutralizer. Alright, so here is my hot summer day look. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe the video, and I'll see you next time.